Welcome to this channel, where we explore cutting-edge strategies and technologies to help you thrive in the digital age. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of advertising with AI. We will be listing different AI tools that can help you take advertising to another level. 1. AdCreative AI. AdCreative.ai is the ultimate solution for creating ad creatives that are highly effective and have a high conversion rate. The system utilizes cutting-edge AI technology to analyze the strategies of successful advertisers and constantly improve its machine learning model. This allows them to create ads that are tailored to your specific target audience. The platform is highly regarded by both major brands and smaller advertisers because of its track record. The ads it produces consistently outperform the majority of ads created by humans. We're discussing improved click-through rates, reduced cost per click, and most importantly, higher conversion rates. AdCreative AI also covers more than just static images. Additionally, it can generate video ads that are ready to be used on social media and other platforms that prioritize video content. This video ad generation capability is a complete game changer for e-commerce brands. AdCreative AI not only helps you create optimized creatives, but also provides valuable data-driven insights to continuously improve your strategies. Through the analysis of performance trends, you can gain valuable insights into which creatives and texts are generating the most conversions. The platform also provides a white label feature that enables agencies to personalize the platform with their own branding, logo, URL, and more. 2. Hootsuite. Hootsuite offers a convenient dashboard that allows you to manage multiple social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, X, formerly Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. If you're comfortable with creating your own captions, but could use some assistance in coming up with appropriate hashtags, Hootsuite's AI hashtag suggestion tool is a game changer. We all understand that hashtags can be quite powerful in terms of increasing your reach. However, it can be challenging to come up with the perfect hashtags on your own. Hootsuite's AI suggestion tool is seamlessly integrated into the Compose window, making it effortless to generate intelligent hashtags as you write and schedule your content. Our AI technology examines your caption and the images you've provided to offer the most fitting hashtags. Additionally, if you're managing customer service through social media, Hootsuite Inbox offers advanced AI capabilities. With Hootsuite Inbox, you can easily manage all of your social media messages in one convenient location, allowing you to effectively bridge the gap between social media engagement and customer service. 3. Amplify Platform. Amplify, formerly known as Social Bakers, simplifies the management of your influencer partnerships. You'll have access to advanced reporting functions that will help you better understand your campaign's performance. The platform is perfect for marketers who want to run paid ads on social media channels. The tool consolidates all of your posts into a single user-friendly dashboard, eliminating the need to constantly log in and out of your social media accounts to monitor your ads' performance. You can easily monitor the engagement of your followers for each post you make directly on the platform. Amplify is a great tool for organizations that work with influencers to promote their products. With its AI-powered dashboard, you can easily find influencers who have followers that match your target audience in terms of demographics and size. Influencers can be sorted based on their service categories, like lifestyle or fitness. 4. RevealBot. RevealBot provides a highly advanced automation engine that simplifies ad management across popular platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Google, and Snapchat. This level of intelligent automation is truly revolutionary, enabling advertisers to easily expand their campaigns and eliminate unnecessary expenses. RevealBot's automation capabilities are unparalleled, allowing you to concentrate on the creative strategy and direction of your campaigns, instead of being burdened with manual optimization tasks. RevealBot goes beyond automation by offering comprehensive analysis through customizable dashboards and reporting. These features allow you to track all your important metrics across different ad platforms. You'll have a clear understanding of what's effective by gaining insights on the best performing creatives, audiences, and messaging. This unified reporting is extremely valuable if you handle multiple accounts. The The platform makes it easy to launch new PPC initiatives by allowing you to upload multiple creatives at once, providing simple ad variations, and offering powerful audience targeting options. RevealBot is a strong option for advertisers seeking comprehensive management and valuable insights. 5. Planable. Planable is a comprehensive AI marketing tool that streamlines the process of planning, drafting, collaborating, and approving various forms of written content. In addition, it assists in organizing and sharing content on social media platforms. Planable offers advanced features and functionality. Planable's AI writing assistant is designed to meet all your team's content and social media marketing needs, making it easy and straightforward. Crafting effective social media posts requires collaboration among writers, graphic designers, and strategists. Planable allows for seamless collaboration on content once the initial draft is completed. Once the post is approved, you can easily add it to your publishing calendar. Planable offers a free trial for your first 50 posts. After reaching the limit, you'll be required to switch to a paid plan with prices starting at $11 per user per month. Planable is a user-friendly alternative to Cloud Campaign that focuses on making content creation and collaboration easy. It also extends the clean, attractive interface to its analytics and reporting feature, making it effortless for you to assess and report the impact of your content. 6. Promo Navy. Promo Navy simplifies PPC management with powerful automation tools designed specifically for Google Ads. It's an invaluable asset for advertisers who need help managing their Google paid search campaigns efficiently. The platform streamlines your keyword lists by providing relevant suggestions and eliminating duplicate terms for easier management. However, one of its most valuable features is its ability to identify the specific keywords that your competitors are focusing on, which you may not be aware of. This competitor analysis allows you to increase your reach and visibility with ease. Promo Navy provides continuous optimization recommendations based on performance data. This will help you determine which terms to add or remove. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to create campaigns within the platform and seamlessly push them to Google. Promo Navy is a tool that helps business owners, marketers, agencies, and specialists manage their Google Ads campaigns more efficiently by reducing the amount of time and effort associated with the process. By automating and streamlining the process based on actual campaign data, the platform makes pay-per-click or PPC advertising more affordable and accessible. 7. Amplify. Amplify is a user-friendly marketing tool that allows you to easily research, schedule, and publish content on multiple social media platforms. The AI-powered automation analyzes data from different digital marketing channels to offer real-time insights that can help you shape your content strategy, posting schedule, and audience engagement tactics. This simplifies decision-making, allowing you to quickly respond to trends or changes in audience behavior. Amplify offers a free trial, although they do not provide the exact duration upfront. After signing up for the free trial, you'll receive an email confirmation. This email will let you know that they will be contacting you shortly to go over the pricing details. Amplify is ideal for marketers who want a comprehensive solution to enhance their social media presence using AI-driven insights. Rest assured, there may be some uncertainty regarding the duration of the trial and pricing until you receive a follow-up call. 8. Madgix. Madgix provides a comprehensive set of advertising tools designed specifically for e-commerce brands. The goal is to continuously enhance your return on investment by effectively managing and optimizing your Facebook and Google campaigns through powerful automation. One of its most impressive features is the AI Marketer, which is the first AI media buyer designed to offer optimization suggestions based on data. It regularly checks your ads and provides easy-to-use actions that you can quickly implement to improve performance. This automation simplifies the process, helping you achieve a higher ROI and saving you valuable time managing ads. Madgix addresses the challenge of third-party cookies becoming obsolete by offering advanced tracking and attribution capabilities, which helps to ensure accurate reporting on Facebook. Their ad copywriting method utilizes AI to create customized, persuasive text that is optimized for different products and target audiences. E-commerce advertisers have access to a comprehensive hub for advertising success through Madgix. This hub includes dashboards that are easy to use, visualizations that are insightful, and an artificial intelligence media buyer of your choosing. Specifically, it is intended to provide efficient assistance to the growth of online retailers. Got any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable insights.